Occasionally you may find that you set up a chart and at some later point you want to add a new series into it. So for example, this one is pulling through the first bill, but we want to bring the second bill through. We're going to show you 3 ways you can add a new series to a chart. Our preferred method is the following. Go to the chart and either under the chart tool design select data, or you can right click on it and you'll see the option exists here saying select data. When you click select data, it will tell you where it's currently looking and what it's called. If you click add, you can now specify exactly what you want to add to this graph. The series name, I'm going to say exists here, and where the series values, well, there they go. And you'll see when I say OK, the chart has already been done. At this point as well, you can click here and perhaps you want this one to appear first. So at the moment bill 1 is here, bill 2 there. I'll move it up and you'll see they switch around. Let's just undo this. So we're now back to a single series. Another way to add a series, if I click on a graph, notice that these little colored blocks appear showing what the graph is looking at. If I've set it up nicely so the information is next to each other, I can actually go to this graph and get my cursor to change. You can see it's got the expansion option. Click and drag, and when I drag over that area and I let go, you'll see that series is added into the graph. The third option, let's just undo this again, is just as simple. You click and you highlight the new series. It must look the same as the old series. You copy it, so either Control C or right click and go to copy. Click on the chart. You'll see there's an option here called paste, and when I paste, you'll see the series is added into the chart.